coffee in bed. So what's up, YouTube? Today we are coming to Red Lobster, one of my favorite restaurants. I got my boys. I got Andrew. I got Stinks. We're just out at Red Lobster. We're gonna eat some. This $15.99 all you can eat shrimp. We about to see what they're doing here. All right. I'll check out when we get inside. You see the lobsters? Come on. Come on. What you gonna get to eat?
I don't know yet.
You want the baby menus like Andrew? Andrew, what you gonna get to eat? You just worry about coloring? Yeah? Well, I'm here for the $15.99 all you can eat shrimp, but I don't see it on the menu, so hopefully they have it. I thought I saw it on TV, but I don't know. Hopefully they have it here. Alright, so I got my drink. I got the tiki pineapple. Stinks got the root beer. Andrew got his lemonade. Andrew over here making a mess. Are you over here making a mess, Andrew? We're about to see what this tiki punch does. What is your problem? Anyways, Andrew over here acting up. Is it recording?
It's going to be in that corner right over there. Okay.
Anyways, Andrew over here acting up. I got my tiki pineapple punch. Andrew over here crying like a little baby. Making this video for you guys because I ain't posted in a while. But I'm going to be posting more videos like this. I'm going to do more restaurant reviews and going out to more restaurants and filming for you guys.
Oh, okay.
Andrew
Gotcha.
over here acting like a baby. This is grown-up drink, Andrew. You can't have none of this. It's for grown. Oh, you want the cherry? Yeah.
Excuse me.
That's all you wanted? Anyways, I'm going to do more videos like this for you guys. I'm coming to restaurants at least once a week. I'm going to bring some of my beautiful friends with me, and we're going to eat and have a good time. But right now, with my sons, we at Red Lobster, the THOT restaurant, because I'm a THOT, and that's what we're going to do. We're about to eat the antler shrimp. Andrew don't like the cherry. Anyways, we're going to get back to y'all later, alright? Alright, so I got my Caesar salad. Still waiting on the bread to come. But I got the salad, so I'm going to start on the salad and we're going to go from there. In case y'all didn't know, the Caesar salad is my favorite salad. I need to take this YouTube to the next level. I need to do more videos. I need to venture out more into the public. And I need to do different things to keep y'all coming back. So if y'all new here, go hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. I'm gonna do more videos like this and I'm gonna upload more videos like this. Alright, they brought the biscuits, but because your boy's a big YouTube star, they brought them fresh out the oven. Fresh and hot, alright? I love these biscuits. These biscuits are like my favorite thing of all time. That's why I love coming to Red Lobster for these biscuits, exactly. Well, the food is coming soon. We'll eat these biscuits. I already ate my salad. And over here eating his biscuit. Stinks over there eating his biscuit. And we just living our best life right now, alright? I'll see you when the food comes.
I got two.
Stinks got crab linguine, the fries.
Yep.
Andrew got his fries and shrimp right there. I got my shrimp linguine, my Parmesan shrimp, baked potato. It's about to be fire. I'm about to eat this. You ate it? Good job. You finished? Good job. Anyways, we gonna sit here and we're gonna eat this food. I'm gonna talk to you guys. This garlic Parmesan shrimp. If y'all come to Red Lobster, make sure you get this. If y'all come to Red Lobster, make sure I get this garlic Parmesan shrimp.
It is good, and I always don't like
says good, he don't like shrimp. So, I got a lot of things I want to do with this channel. I want to do more stuff like this where I go out and eat. Obviously, I'm going to continue to do my recipe videos. Trying to figure out if I should do more vlogs or just incorporate more stuff like this instead of doing vlogs. I want my channel to be like an all-around food type channel. So where I do mukbangs, restaurant reviews, just going out to eat, recipe videos, whatever. That's what I want to do.
Oh yeah, you about to eat out. You let me know
So,
some more shrimp, okay? You're welcome. Did you want another order of shrimp going, sir?
yeah, please. Not
Parmesan? Which one?
just the Parmesan.
Parmesan?
Yeah.
Okay, I got it.
What? Like I said, it's unlimited shrimp, so I get as much as I want. I'm kind of already full. Sit down. Stop being bad. What? Yeah. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do more videos like this, so I can interact with you guys a little bit more. I can go out and have fun, and we're gonna just eat food and have fun. It's gonna be an all-around food channel where we just eat and have fun and cook, and we're gonna do our thing, all right? Anyway, I'll check you out when we finish this menu. I'm gonna drop the kids off, and then I'm gonna go out and have some adult fun later, all right? Peace.
Like it? It's cold. It's too cold for you?
So that garlic parmesan shrimp is fire. I didn't care for the linguine too much. Stace didn't like his food, apparently, because he didn't eat it. So that's a waste of my money right there.
I said I'm gonna box it up.
Hey, Andrew, get your... Stop being bad. Andrew, you get your ass beat. You understand? I got my refill on shrimp scampi. It's about to be fire again. It's hot. It's a little bit hot. Andrew over there making an ass. He won't relax. He still didn't eat none of his food.
I'll go eat that garlic parmesan.
Andrew.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Can you go back? Please, go back.
Alright, that was a delicious ass dinner. I'll get another order. We're going to put that in the box to go. Steve's got his food. We're going to take that to go. We're going to go head up out of here. We're going to see how much this check is. This was fun. Andrew, what you got to say? This was fun. Steve, what you got to say?
I gotta say that I recommend the garlic parmesan shrimp. And if you don't like shrimp, I know you'll like this because I didn't like shrimp, but now I like it.
Anyways, you heard it from him first. Garlic parmesan shrimp, Red Lobster, THOT restaurant of the year. We about to have a good time. We about to leave in a little bit, alright? Peace. So we just left Red Lobster. We got to go bed. You see the airplane? You see the airplane? So we just left Red Lobster. We full. We got to go bag. I'll let y'all see the fit real quick. So I got the Chef Junie hoodie on. I got, you know, the blinged out unk. I got the Gucci slides. Come on. We're about to head over to Candy, get a Candy real quick. Look how beautiful Candy look.